Okay, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net, and here we are trading on Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. And I'll show you some trades today that I did, and then a couple other trades that some other members did in the Discord with silver here. And this is one of the silver trades. One of the mics did. Leg down, leg up, hit $1,000 goal, and he hit it. So nice trade there. And then I'm also going to showcase some of our other strategies, the opening range breakout and the order flow strategy. I haven't made any videos on those lately, so I'm going to cover those instead of just covering the trades in the room. So here's our opening range breakout strategy in the NQ, and this strategy has been out for about 3 years, and it makes, one or two trades a day, maybe three. First half hour, second half hour. And like the AlgoBot trades all day, this just makes a couple trades. But if the market's not cooperating in a tight range, you're not going to get any trades. So this one, the market broke out here in the first half hour session, and we're trading 4 contracts, and we got a quick $652 for a nice trade with the ORB. Then I hop into the NQ with the AlgoBot and trading 2 contracts, and I hit my $644 goal profit for a nice trade. And then here's another trade by one of our mics here, trading silver once again just before 10 o'clock. It breaks out to the highs. I think he's using like a 26-28 profit target on a one contract. He got $645 profit for a great trade. Then we hop back into the NQ. Let's look at that one. Yeah, this is another trade done by Mike here on silver. Forgot about this one. 2 trades. He made the $1,200 goal. Just 2 trades up and down. Silver's pretty quick, and profits were made. And then this is my NQ trade. 2 contracts still, 2 moves. A minor move and then a major move to the upside. Trail stop dialed in nicely. Maybe need to tighten it up a little, but hit a profit goal as it squeezed the shorts, and up it went. And then, like I said, the opening range breakout is good for 1 or 2 trades a day, maybe 3. This is the second trade after 10 o'clock. Broke out of the range, and we're trading 4 contracts. Want to hit our profit goal pretty quick on these breakouts. Just need like 20 ticks or so, and that's what did it. 597. If you're trading 3-5 accounts, that's a great pay. And then another later date trade on one of the mics here. He same thing, a short and a long, and silver reversed in a quick $790 profit in about 3 minutes trade. So silver is hot, and you just got to time it right. And up it goes for a nice profit there. So now we'll get into our order flow strategy here and show you some trades on this here. We were going for a $1,000 goal here. On this one we got 473, and we're trading 3 contracts here in the ES. And it has these volumetric bars that it uses to read the volume and who's in control. Like here, this bar here, it's all buyers, then it tops out, and then sellers, and then buyers, sellers, and then buyers, and it goes back up. And then you look at this data here, and all this information is programmed into the strategy, and about 50,000 lines of code to give you a massive headache on a weekend trying to do it, but I did it. And we got these stacked imbalances here that measure support and resistance, and it went right into this stacked imbalance, and that's when the plunge happened. And then it gets back over the lower one, and then it breaks out when all this volume here, all these delta bars, volume, delta percent, cumulative delta, that information is all read into the strategy, and it punches all the numbers like a mad scientist, and your brain would never be able to sit there and look at it and figure it out. That's why it's an automated strategy, because you're looking at the bottom number, then what's that mean? Then you're looking at the percentage, what's that mean? And you try to compute it when you're trading, you'd never be able to. That's why we automated it. And then this is another order flow strategy here. Still trading 3 contracts near the 11 o'clock time frame. Market bounced back. Buyers came in. As you see here, everything's green. And up we go. All buyers here, as you see. And it goes right into that stacked imbalance. We take some profits, and then it breaks out again. And we get 585 on that one. And then there's another one right here coming into the 11:30 time frame. Buyers came in off the lows here. All green volume here. It goes up, gets the targets. Another breakout here. And what this does, just because this is red, it has to meet the certain criteria with all these numbers punching. This number has to be a certain number, the next one, the next one, the next one. They all have to line up for them to trigger. And that's what happens here. Everything's green, lines up, it fires off a trade. Look how accurate that is. Up it goes, hits the targets. And then the same thing here. Boom. And we also input a new feature for the data feeds that traders use with the funded accounts like Apex and Lilu and Lucid and all the other ones. It's called a watchdog feature, and it watches the data and makes sure that you have a continuous data flow, because these funded places mysteriously drop their data and your trade gets stuck in Lu, and you end up blowing out your account because you can't get out of your trade. So this is a new feature we added, the watchdog feature, and it really works. So it runs in the background, and if for some reason there is a data drop, it will get you out of the trade automatically with a separate order. So check that out. And this also, you can lease this on a 2-month lease for $8.95, or you can buy it outright. And it's a very good deal if you want to get started. As you see, 3 trades in a row and nice profits. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.